Yeah.
Today we are making something really special. Okay, today we're making fried oyster mushrooms. They are gonna be so delicious. Right now they're soaking, getting nice and clean in the water. I'm gonna use some cashew milk for my wet batter, and then for the dry batter I'm using spelt flour and a bunch of seasonings. We're just gonna season it up and everything. So first step is to wash your oyster mushrooms. Make sure they're very clean, and I'm gonna soak them for a while so they can get clean in between. While that's doing that, I'm gonna prepare my two batters. Okay? Season both your wet batter and your dry batter with paprika, black pepper, crushed pepper, Italian seasoning, oregano, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, and dill weed. Okay, so you want to season both batters. This is what I'm doing so far. Got my dry with just the flour and my wet with just the milk. Meanwhile, I have the pot heating up with some grapeseed oil, getting it all the way to high heat so I can get a really nice crispy fry. Okay, it's gonna be golden brown, so crunchy. Okay, I am gonna season this a lot because I want it to be, I've had oyster mushrooms once before and they were amazing. They were so amazing, they literally changed my life. I had them at a vegan soul food restaurant in Houston, and oh my gosh, they were amazing. My man took me there and I couldn't stop talking about it forever. So since we don't live close to there, I just thought, you know, I'm gonna have to make my own. So I watched a bunch of videos and I'm confident that mine are gonna turn out really good. I think the secret is just to add a lot of seasoning because you want each bite to be full of flavor, you know? That's the secret. That's the secret, honey. Garlic powder. Like in my book, you can't really over season anything, but that's just me. That's just me, okay? That is just me, honey. Thank you, baby. Okay, so I forgot to mention this was my first time doing this, so it came out really good. Actually, this is what it's looking like so far. Everything's really crunchy and crispy, just how I like it. So let me do a little taste test for you. It's just like chicken. Look at this crunch. You can't tell me that doesn't look like a golden crispy thigh.